guys, welcome back to Crafty Nanny. Today, Scoot finds himself in a very sticky situation. Let's turn the page to see what happens.
Today's story is Patch, Hedgy, and Scoot, A Doughboy for Dinner by Anushka R. Merrill. Scoot walked across the hallway waving a whisk. Uh-oh, he's up to something, said Patch. No time to chat, buddy boy, said Scoot. I'm off to make sticky buns for dinner. Do you need some help with that? Actually, yes, said Scoot. Grab me the big mixing bowl from the top shelf, please, and after that, leave the rest of the magic to me. Okie dokie, said Patch as he handed Scoot the mixing bowl. Hedgy walked into the kitchen and saw Scoot measuring ingredients. Scoot, said Hedgy, I think you're putting a little too much baking powder in there. No such thing, Hedge. I want them to be nice and fluffy. Sure, but you need a special... Out of my kitchen, interrupted Scoot. No sous chef needed here. Thanks. Okay, said Hedgy, but don't say I didn't warn you. Scoot mixed the batter and placed the buns in the oven to bake. Then he went to watch a show on TV. After 15 minutes, Scoot returned to the kitchen to check on the sticky buns. They had more than tripled in size and were spilling out of the oven. Guys, said Scoot, I'm gonna need an escape plan here. Patch, get me a rope. What do you need a rope in the kitchen for? Asked Patch. Oh, you'll see, he said. Just hurry. Patch grabbed Hedgy's jumping rope and ran into the kitchen. Sheesh, Scoot, when you said bring a rope, I didn't think it would be to pull you out of the batter. Save the jokes, Patch. I'm getting sucked in here, Scoot said. See, I told you not to put so much baking powder, Hedgy called from the other room. We're going to need you in here, Hedge, said Patch. He's really stuck. Hedgy ran into the kitchen to see what was happening. Hedgy grabbed the end of the jumping rope and hopped onto the counter. All they could see now was Scoot's hands sticking out of the gooey mess. Okay, Hedgy, get ready to pull on the count of 3, said Patch. 1, 2, 3, pull! Patch and Hedgy pulled with all their might, and Scoot popped out of the batter covered in a thick coating of dough. Whew! That was close, said Hedgy. Yeah, except now we have a doughboy instead of sticky buns for dinner, said Patch. What? Said Scoot. He couldn't hear them because he had dough in his ears. Patch and Hedgy helped him clean up as best as they could. But their best wasn't very good, and Mom got the shock of her life when she walked in from the market. A little doughboy stood in the hallway to greet her. Scoot, what happened to you? She asked. I tried to make you sticky buns, he said, and started to cry. Mom took Scoot upstairs and into her bathroom as she often did after his misadventures. As she soaked his head and removed dough from his ears, Mom was sure that this wouldn't be the last time Scoot ended up in her tub. The end.
Today's the first day of fall, and I'm very excited for all things autumn. Come back on Friday to see how we make the fall version of Scoot's sticky buns. Keep crafting, and I'll see you next time.